In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bold text in a LinkedIn post. Have you ever scrolled through your LinkedIn feed and noticed that some posts seem to stand out more because they have bold text? It's a great way to make a statement or draw attention to specific parts of your message. If you're wondering how to do this, you're in the right place. First, let's head over to a tool called LinkedIn Text Formatter. This nifty online tool is going to be our go-to for styling our LinkedIn post. Don't worry, no software download is needed. It's all done through your web browser. Once you're at the LinkedIn Text Formatter page, it's time to type in your text. Just type or paste the text that you want to appear bold in your LinkedIn post. This could be anything from a key achievement you're sharing, a call to action, or an important update you want to make sure grabs people's attention. After you've entered your text, you'll need to highlight the specific text you want to bold. Don't rush this part. Making sure you've selected accurately is key to achieving the effect you're aiming for. With your text selected, look for the bold button at the top of the LinkedIn Text Formatter tool. It's usually symbolized by the bold B. Clicking this will transform your selected text, making it bold. Next, and this is the part that brings it all together, you're going to click on Copy Text. This copies the bolded text to your clipboard, ready to be pasted into your LinkedIn post. Speaking of LinkedIn, it's time to navigate to your LinkedIn profile. Once there, locate and click on Start a Post at the top of your feed. This opens up your post editor, where you can share content with your network. The final step is simple. Paste your copied text into the post editor. Voila! Your text will appear bolded, making it stand out in your network's LinkedIn feed. Remember, while bold text can make your post pop, it's crucial to use it judiciously. Too much bold text can make your post difficult to read or give the impression of shouting. Think of bold text as a spice. Just the right amount can perfect your post, but too much can overpower it. And that's it. You've just learned how to make your LinkedIn posts stand out by using bold text. Go ahead, give it a try, and see how it changes the way your posts perform. Remember, the goal is to make your content engaging and accessible, and now you have one more tool to do just that. Happy posting!